I'd like to demonstrate a clever idea from Stately Paving in Victoria, where they're working in the panel on the right, and I've split the screen on the left to look at a different drawing. The one on the left is a copy of their blocks drawing, but if I'm working on the right, I've put some photo of Banksia integrifolia, and we have a label that comes from a dimension style. We want to strengthen it and add some more Banksias in that area. We come across here, we've got Banksia spinulosa here, so we could take the photo, the label and the symbol and just copy to the clipboard, come over here in the design we're working on, and we can paste it. And here we are. We can just position it. I'll zoom out just a little, and there's the symbol, so we can just copy that now. I'll take off my snap and just copy the symbol. And we're going to pop a series of those in that area and maybe one there. So we've strengthened that. We can label it very easily by just dragging this around, and there we go. We can scale and rotate, make it look a little more realistic, and we now have 4 symbols for Banksia spinulosa through there. We click here, we can see the name of the symbol, but if I select one of them, we can go immediately to set a data to a plant and say find spinulosa. Here it is, and OK, we're done. So you can see we're building up our design very easily, incorporating labels. We can put these very easily in our new design. So I love that idea. I think we'll polish it a little more. We need to reduce the file size of our blocks, but can you see you can grab a lot of information from a blocks drawing. I'd experiment, I think, by making this a little smaller, like so. I can still get those on the left in the blocks library and copy and paste. So I might want to take now the kangaroo paw and just copy it across and pop them all in this little zone here as a nice border. And of course in their hands they do it much more speedily than me, but I'll copy that one and zoom in here. We can just paste those along the edge, making quite an interesting border. So we've got a little part of the garden now nicely illustrated. At the moment I'll just move the image for the paving bricks through here, and we're going to want that something, and all we need to do is just move that like so, and we're doing reasonably well. I'll try and get these images a similar size and get the explanatory text neat, and there we are. So we'll carry on designing.